This is Metric Monday. This is going to be a short and sweet video because it's not very complicated this week. Again, I'm in the middle of choosing all of the M6 fasteners that I'm going to use so that I can use my mini M6 toolkit and continue my metric conversion. And I've been assembling the list of drill bit sizes needed to install all sorts of metric M6 fasteners. This week's one is the Chicago screw. So a Chicago screw has a few other names, but some of the names might get this video flagged. So I'll let you Google that. And as an indication of the one of the names, you have a Chicago screw typically has, boy, my brain is out of it today. It's definitely Monday. This type of head, hex Allen key, and this serves as a washer for holding two pieces of wood or metal or something else together, typically furniture. But you have a male screw and a female screw. So when they mate to each other, that's another name for these screws. And it's going to be pretty simple this time because it looks like this is simply an 8mm hole that this needs. That's a nice snug fit. I cannot get it to fit in a 7.5mm hole, and in an 8.5mm hole it's loose. And this actually is a great day to talk about another topic, which is why there's a problem with this toolkit that I've built. I have one of every driver that I think I need for M6, and that's not enough, right? Because with some things, particularly a Chicago screw, you need two drivers with exactly the same drive system. I can get these finger tight, but so on the male side I'm going to be using a 4mm Hex Plus bit from Vera, and on the female side I'm going to be using the 4mm section of my 4-in-1 hex bit from Vera. And yeah, that's, I don't have thick enough wood to show you the clamping force on these, so they're just going to spin. But two lessons from today's video. One, M6 Chicago screw appears to need an 8.0mm diameter drill. So there's 8.0, and we'll slot it in to 8 on my drill bit stand. And close that up. And the second thing is, for some types of screws, you need two drivers. And that's going to change how I envision using and modifying this kit. Not quite sure how yet. I might build two kits identical, but that's too much. I really want to go the other direction and simplify this. So maybe a Chicago screw is the only place where I'm going to need two drivers, but we'll see. And because I started with the 2024 Vera Advent Calendar, which I guess was the prototype for their new modular system, I might actually be able to add two handle holders onto this. I don't think I've seen anyone do that, but that could be cool. This is PetesGuide closing down.